Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to highlight text in Premiere Pro. To start, go to the toolbar and click on the rectangle tool. Now, draw a rectangle over the text you want to highlight. Once you've done that, go to the Effect Controls panel. Here, you'll find your shape settings. Look for the Fill Color option and click on it. Pick a color that suits your highlight. Yellow is a popular choice, so I'll go with that. Now, scroll down to the video section and find the opacity settings. You'll see an option called Blend Mode. Change the blend mode to Multiply. This makes the highlight effect blend nicely with the text. If you want to take it a step further and animate the highlight, here's how you can do it. Go to the Effects panel and type Crop in the search box. Drag the crop effect onto your graphic layer. Now go back to the Effect Controls panel. Make sure your playhead is at the start of the graphic. In the crop effect settings, change the right value to 100%. Click the stopwatch icon next to it to create your first keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want the highlighting to finish. Change the right value to 0%. This will automatically create a second keyframe. When you play it back, you'll see the highlight move across the text. For a smoother animation, select both keyframes by dragging over them. Then, right-click on one of them and choose Auto Bezier. This will make the animation flow more naturally. And that's it. You've just created a nice text highlighting effect in Premiere Pro. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.